Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Excel filter. When we're dealing with large data, this option comes really handy to analyze the data. So here in this sheet, we have sold books through different channels, in different dates, and the sales number you can see. Now, if you'd like to bring the filter option, you can do it in two different ways. But of course, if you want to bring the filter option in, you always have to select one of the cells and then Control Shift L. Now you see there's a drop down. You can see that. So when you press there, when you click there, you find your filter. We'll go there later. And if you'd like to take this away again, you have to select one, Control Shift L, and then it's gone. You can bring it in from home as well. If you go in the home, you can see here sort and filter, and here if you press in the filter button, now it came, and if you don't want it, you just go back again and you press there, so it's gone. Now we just Control Shift and L again, and now we get our filter back in our column. So here if you go and you see that it is asking select all, or you can just choose which one you don't want. Let's say we don't want store and website and outlet. We want information about affiliate site and channel, and when you click it, we get all the information regarding that one only. And you can see on the left side the numbers are a little bit different. After 1 there is no 2, after 4 there is 8, 9, and then again there is no 10 and 11. It means those cells are really hidden, and it has dragged all the information from specifically those rows from 4, 8, 9. And if you want to get rid of this filter and would like to return back again, so you click here again and clear filter from channel, and then it returned you to the main filter option again. And also books sold, if you go here, you can see there are several options. You just take, let's say 1, 2, 3 of them and press the filter. Now it gives you those that were on tick mark, and you got those number. And again, if you would like to get rid of that filter, just clear filter from book sold. But if you have taken that one, you got the main list with the filter option on again. So remember, if you want to get rid of that as well, so Control Shift L, and it's gone. So we can go in the date section, and here when you come, you can see that it has all the years. So if you want to get data from only 2019, you can uncheck the other boxes. And also if you see here there's a plus sign, that means this has another options for you to filter from. So in 2019, these 5 months have data for you, so you can also exclude if you want. Let's say you don't want the data from September and December of 2019, then you can get rid of those and you can run the filter, and now you get the data from June, July, and August. So we come out from that filter again, and you can also filter using numbers, and number filter works in this case really good, because it allows you to find specific number within this large chart and then ending up with finding only that one. So it's like a binocular, equals 271, and now you get that one. So we can use another filter that is called text filter, and most used is contains. You can actually try this one, ends with, begins with, you can understand. But we're going here in the contains, so it contains, let's say, natural, and then we press OK, and now it actually brings all the data that has a natural word in it. So we have only 2 data that has natural in it. So again, we can go back and run the text filter for, let's say, begin with. So begins with war, and we see what happens. Yep, it found the war history, and we just get rid of that filter and we run this filter again for, let's say, contains, but this time we're looking for or. So either it has war or it has history. Okay, so we see what it finds out for us. Yeah, so war history, so either war or whatever it finds. So it found both of them and it gives us that one. Again, if we go here, filter by color. Now if I filter by this color, you see it has taken all the data that has this color, and if we just get rid of that filter and let's say we give color here as well, but this time a little bit different, red, and I run this filter again by color, and this time red, and you see those numbers that has red color, now you have gotten those.